To change the theme on POCO M8 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to locate the personalization. Open it, then move down until we find the themes, and that way you will see a theme store. So pay attention to the themes that you can see on the screen, and make sure that you choose one that is free. If you want to use free one, if you want to pay, then you can pay, that's fine as well. So choose whichever theme you want to apply to your phone, for example this one, then download it, make sure that you have internet connection for that to happen, and then finally we can apply that theme to our phone. And as you can see, my theme have changed. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.